Hello, everyone. Today we're going to do whole number quotients using the standard algorithm. If you have not already watched the whole number quotients using the area model, you should go do that right now because we're using the same problem. So if you follow along and do the work with me, you'll be able to compare what is going on in the area model as compared to the standard algorithm. Once again, we are going to be counting this time hearts. So every time I draw a heart, you're going to put a little tally. If you haven't come across one of these videos yet, you're going to want a little piece of paper or a spot on your paper to keep tally marks because every time I draw a heart, you're going to put a tally on your paper. And at the end, you're going to have a number of hearts, and there will be a quiz attached to this video in your course so that you can get a bonus point for watching the video. Your question will be something like, how many hearts was drawn in the video? And you're going to type in the number. So let's get started. We have 2,682 divided by 25. We're going to take this first number. We're going to put it in the division house. The 25 is going to go on the outside. And before I go any further, I'm going to come out off to the side and I'm going to do my skip count by 25 because it helps me start thinking about 25. Oops. It gives me some information about 25. And now I'm going to jump right in. The first thing I'm going to look at is the 2. There are no groups of 25 in 2, so we're going to leave a hidden 0. It's not really there, but it is. And we're going to go to 26. There's one group of 25 and 26. I'm going to show that by the 1 up top. And I'm going to say, well, that's 25 I'm taking out of here. I'm using it up, so it's got to go away. And I'm going to bring down an 8. Now I'm left with 18. So I go back to my skip count, and I can see, well, there's no groups of 25 and 18, so I have to show that up here as a 0. Down here, it becomes 0 because I'm not using up anything, and the 18 stays the same. This time, though, I get to bring down this 2 to make a new number. I'm going to go to my skip count and say, well, 82, it's right between those two numbers. So I've got to go with the smaller one. So I'm going to go with 175. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 25s. And 725 shows that I used 175 of that number. Got to do a little regrouping. And then I'm left with 7. Well, there's nothing left to bring down. So my remainder is 7. Make sure that when you are doing your standard algorithm, you are keeping your numbers in nice, neat rows. If you have a problem with that, take a sheet of loose leaf and turn it to its side. Instead of lines, you have some columns to put your numbers in. One number in each column, and it'll help you keep your numbers organized. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you a lot. Remember to count your hearts and go take your quiz.